Charity 6. In a narration found in Jami at-Tirmidhi, number 2029, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised three things. The first is that charity does not decrease one's wealth. This is because whatever a Muslim spends for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, in respect to any blessing, such as time, Allah, the Exalted, will compensate them. This compensation will be much more than what they originally used. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 245.
Who is it that would loan Allah a goodly loan, so he may multiply it for him many times over?
For example, Allah, the Exalted, may grant the one who spends for his sake with financial opportunities, which leads to an overall increase in wealth. In addition, this could be referring to the reality that whatever is destined to be spent on a person, which is their true wealth, can never change irrespective of their behavior or the behavior of the entire creation. In fact, a person's provision was allocated to them over 50,000 years before Allah, the Exalted, created the heavens and the earth. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6748. So in reality, one's charity will not change the amount of wealth which is destined to be spent on them, such as wealth spent on their food. Finally, charity does not reduce one's wealth, as one is only depositing their wealth in their hereafter account. This is like the one who transfers money between two bank accounts their own. In this respect, charity does not reduce one's wealth, as the real beneficiary is oneself. Remembering this will prevent one from seeking gratitude from those they aid, and it will prevent pride, as one is, in reality, benefiting no one other than themselves when they give charity. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.